Hello, in front of me I got HUAWEI Nova 10. In this video I will show you how to use HUAWEI wallet. In the beginning, let's enter HUAWEI wallet. And as you can see from the homepage of this app, you can enable NFC, check all of your cards, download Curve app, thanks to which you can use your phone to make payments, add loyalty cards, coupons and gift cards. Also, if you go to Me, you've got access to your HUAWEI account. You can check points. In settings, you can enable or disable double press power button to shortcuts, change payment PIN, change payment verification method, and in more settings you can manage notifications. In Help, you can find knowledge about HUAWEI Pay, how secure it is, how to add bank card, and how to make in-store payments with HUAWEI Pay. Next, you can enter One Touch Repair, and by pressing this button you can repair and restore settings of your app. Then you can check for updates and About. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.